how to correctly use Wealthsimple app Canada. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to correctly use Wealthsimple app Canada. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Download the Wealthsimple app from the App Store iOS or Google Play Store Android. Install the app on your mobile device. Open the app and sign up for a new account. Provide your personal information such as name, email, and phone number. You may need to verify your identity by providing a government issued ID. Wealthsimple will ask about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment preferences. Based on your answers, the app will suggest a portfolio tailored to your needs, for example, conservative, balanced, or growth. Link your bank account to Wealthsimple to transfer funds. You can set up one time or recurring contributions to your investment account. Wealthsimple offers different investment options, including Wealthsimple Invest, a robo-advisor service that manages a diversified portfolio for you. Wealthsimple Trade, a self-directed platform for buying and selling individual stocks and ETFs. Wealthsimple Crypto allows you to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies. Wealthsimple Cash, a cash management account with spending and saving features. If you need to withdraw funds, you can easily do so through the app. Keep in mind that it may take a few business days for the withdrawal to process. So that's how to correctly use Wealthsimple app Canada. That's all for this video.